everyone, my name is Mayank. Today I am going to show you a puppet show on the latest pandemic virus, Corona. Let's start. On the period of lockdown, two persons were out of their houses. The police were on his way of patrolling came to show them and want to save them. He said, "Stay home." One person obeyed and go, but other disobeyed and traveled on the roads. The person who travels on the roads was precepted by Corona. The person when come home, he saw that his family was waiting for him. His entire family was also precepted by Corona. The person starts showing symptoms, came to doctor and the report showed that he was positive. After recovery, when the person come home, so that his entire family was also precepted by Corona. After the recovery of his family also, he said, "We stay home and when go out of the home, wear mask." Our doctors and policemen will work hard for our life. Let's salute them. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.